How to fix iPhone screen goes black during calls. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and firstly, check the proximity sensor. If your proximity sensor malfunctions, the screen may remain black during a call. So see if there are any dust particles blocking the sensor and clear them. Next, remove the screen protector. Thick screen protectors can mess up the proximity sensor on your iPhone. The sensor cannot detect when you place or move the phone beside your ears. You should remove such screen protectors from your iPhone. If it is still not fixed, swipe down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Tap on the brightness option and toggle on the button for true tone. Now, launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. In General again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.